Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing the HGDO M210 cam, a premium rearview mirror video recorder that combines 4K front recording and 2K rear recording for crystal clear footage. If you are looking for a high-quality dash cam with advanced features, this model is worth your attention. The M210 uses Sony IMX415 for the front camera and Sony IMX307 for the rear camera, delivering sharp and detailed video even in low-light conditions. It supports 5 display modes, including full screen and split screen, so you can easily monitor both front and rear views. This dash cam comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to track your route and speed, and it supports Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can view, download, and share videos directly from your smartphone. It also includes voice control in English, making it easy to operate hands-free while driving. Other key features include G-sensor for emergency video lock, loop recording, 24-hour parking monitoring, and parking guard for extra security. The reversing camera view can be adjusted and zoomed, and the screen brightness ensures clear visibility in all conditions. Installation is flexible. You can strap it to your existing mirror, replace your original mirror with the included bracket, or mount it on the dashboard using the optional console. It supports Class 10 TF cards up to 128 GB, giving you plenty of storage for your recordings. In summary, the HGDO M210 cam offers 4K ultra-high-definition recording, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced safety features in one sleek package. If you want a reliable and feature-rich dash cam for your car, this is an excellent choice. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching.